Want to know the secrets of successful hydroponic gardening? Dive into a world where soil isn't needed to grow plants. Hydroponics, a method that uses nutrient-rich water, offers faster growth and higher yields. Unlock the full potential of your garden with these easy-to-follow steps. First, understand the core principles of hydroponic gardening. This method of cultivation skips the soil, focusing instead on delivering nutrients directly to plant roots through water. It's all about balance. Your plants need the right blend of water, nutrients, and light to flourish. Think of it as a cocktail for plants mixed to perfection. Too little or too much of any ingredient can hinder growth. With these principles in mind, you can create a thriving hydroponic garden. Next, equip yourself with the right tools. Essential equipment for hydroponic gardening includes grow lights, nutrient solutions, and hydroponic systems. Each element plays a vital role in ensuring your plants flourish. The right tools can make all the difference in your hydroponic gardening journey. Now, let's focus on maintaining your hydroponic garden. It's crucial to keep an eye on the pH levels, aiming for a sweet spot between 5.5 and 6.5. Regularly change the nutrient solution, about every 2 weeks, to nourish your plants. And let's not forget light exposure. A good rule of thumb is to provide at least 8 hours of light per day. Remember, a well-maintained garden means a successful harvest. Hydroponic gardening may seem complex, but with these tips you can master it. Remember, it's all about understanding the basics, choosing the right equipment, and maintaining your garden diligently. Don't let the intricacies deter you. Instead, let them inspire you to cultivate a thriving hydroponic garden. It's an exciting journey, one that promises a bounty of fresh produce right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.